With the help of Axis, we were put in touch with an integrator, and he came and helped us get set up, but the majority of the programming was done on our own. I had done a little bit of robotics research when I was in graduate school, but I had never really had like any hands-on experience or real work experience with them, and so it was definitely a learning process, but it went fairly smoothly. Yeah.
When Lowercase came to us, they had a really unique idea, and we were excited to work on it to develop something that would be cost-effective yet flexible enough to grow with them as their business grew. We recommended the universal robot as the robot of choice, mainly because it's collaborative, but also because it's easy for users to program it and change how they want to deploy it. As their businesses grow, they may want to add movements or add numbers of stops in the process that the robot does. We also chose the Robotiq Gripper